Hi there, welcome to Armcandy. We've got another lovely bag for you, this beautiful Mulberry Hobo shoulder bag. Lovely soft leather, sits really nicely. So it features just this one shoulder strap, and inside we have a zip pocket. You can see that there on that side, and on the other side there's just this one flat pocket as well. We've put the condition as the exterior as good and the interior. It is well worn, but the leather feels lovely and soft. It's just the hardware probably can tell signs of wear, so we put that as fair. If you want any more exact details on the bag, you can click on the link to shop in the video. Otherwise, just for reference, I'm kind of like 5'5" and size 10. If you'd like to shop this bag, then just click on the link in the video. Should take you straight directly to the product. If it's not there, I'm afraid it may have sold out already. But if it's the kind of thing you like, then just get in contact with us and you can be added to our request list. So if anything comes in, we'll be in contact with you straight away. So this comes with a Mulberry dust bag, as you can see there, and also has the Mulberry care card inside. Whilst you're on our website, you can sign up to our website and receive our welcome discount as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video whilst you're here.